Welcome to our channel. If you're looking for delicious drinks that can help naturally lower blood sugar and are diabetes friendly, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to introduce you to 20 amazing beverages that not only taste great, but can also support your overall health. Whether you're managing diabetes or just looking for healthier drink choices, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Herbal teas. First up, let's talk about herbal teas. These are not only comforting, but can also work wonders for your blood sugar levels. Here are 5 fantastic herbal tea recipes to get you started. Cinnamon tea. Cinnamon is known for its blood sugar regulating properties. To make cinnamon tea, simply steep a cinnamon stick in hot water. It's a warm and comforting option. Ginger tea. Ginger is another superstar when it comes to managing blood sugar. Make ginger tea by grating fresh ginger and steeping it in hot water. You can add a touch of lemon for extra flavor. Fenugreek tea. Fenugreek seeds have been used for centuries to help lower blood sugar. Boil fenugreek seeds in water, strain, and enjoy the benefits. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is not only delicious, but is also packed with antioxidants. Simply steep dried hibiscus flowers in hot water for a tangy and refreshing drink. Turmeric tea. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and blood sugar-lowering properties. Make turmeric tea by adding a pinch of turmeric to hot water or milk. Segment 2. Smoothies. Now let's move on to something a bit more exciting, smoothies. These are perfect for a quick and nutritious blood sugar-friendly boost. Check out these 5 smoothie recipes. Berry Bliss Smoothie. Loaded with berries, this smoothie is not only delicious but also packed with fiber. Berries can help stabilize blood sugar levels. Green Power Smoothie. Packed with leafy greens, this smoothie is a nutrient powerhouse. It's low in sugar and high in vitamins and minerals. Avocado Delight. Avocado is a healthy fat that can help regulate blood sugar. Combine it with some unsweetened almond milk for a creamy treat. Spiced Pumpkin Smoothie. Pumpkin is a low glycemic ingredient that can help maintain stable blood sugar. Blend it with some warming spices for a delicious treat. Chia Seed Delight. Chia seeds are a great source of fiber and healthy fats. Blend them with your favorite fruits for a filling and blood sugar-friendly smoothie. Segment 3. Fruit-infused water. Staying hydrated is crucial for blood sugar control. Fruit-infused water is a fantastic way to keep your hydration levels up without consuming excessive sugar. Here are 5 flavorful ideas. Citrus Zest. Simply add slices of citrus fruits like lemons, limes, and oranges to your water. It's refreshing and adds a hint of natural sweetness. Cucumber Mint. Cucumber slices and fresh mint leaves create a crisp and refreshing combination that's perfect for quenching your thirst. Berry Blast berries are naturally low in sugar but high in flavor. Drop some fresh or frozen berries into your water for a delightful twist. Pineapple Paradise Pineapple adds a tropical flair to your hydration game. It's naturally sweet and incredibly refreshing. Watermelon Wave Watermelon is not only hydrating but also low in sugar. Blend chunks of watermelon with water for a sweet and watery treat. Segment 4. Nutritional Shakes. Nutritional shakes can be a convenient and balanced option. Here are 5 diabetes-friendly nutritional shake recipes that are both delicious and nutritious. Almond Joy Shake. Almonds are a great source of protein and healthy fats. Blend them with unsweetened cocoa, almond milk, and a touch of stevia for a delightful treat. Peanut Butter Banana Shake. Peanut butter and banana are a classic combination. Use sugar-free peanut butter and a ripe banana for this creamy shake. Spinach and Avocado Shake. Spinach and avocado combine for a green, nutrient-packed shake that's low in sugar and high in vitamins. Coffee Lover's Delight. For those who enjoy their caffeine, a coffee protein shake with unsweetened almond milk can be a fantastic choice. Chocolate Mint Sensation. A blend of unsweetened cocoa, mint extract, and protein powder creates a tasty shake that's perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth. And there you have it, 20 delicious drinks to naturally lower blood sugar and keep your health in check. Remember, making small conscious choices in your daily diet can go a long way in managing diabetes or preventing it. Stay hydrated, be mindful of your sugar intake, and enjoy these tasty beverages. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. Have a great day and stay healthy.